Hello everybody, it's HyperXF, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make Fortnite logos just like the ones on the screen on iOS and Android phones for free. So what you'll need to make this is any web browser. I'll be using Chrome, Pixart and Fonto. So first what you want to do is open the web browser and then type in Fortnite background. Then you go to images and choose the one you like. So I'll be using this one. Save it. Then what you want to do is type in any skin of your choice. You type choosing the Gold Trooper. And then at the end type in PNG. Save the picture. Then what you want to type is thumbnail effect PNG red lightning, and then you want to choose this one. Save it. Then choose this one and also save it. Then after doing that, go to Pixart and then click on the little plus sign. Then what you want to do is click on the background of your choice, and then you want to go to fit. Then select the square here and make the picture bigger for it to fit in the square. Once you've done that, tap on apply and then go to text. Type in an I, then make it bigger. Okay. Once you've done that, change it to the color of your choice, and then go to opacity and take it down to 75. Apply. Then you want to go to sticker and type white circle for Arsenal for I. Then tap on the circle, make it bigger. This. Apply. Then this is optional, but I'll be adding this galaxy background, the galaxy circle, sorry. Then I make it the same size as this. Okay, apply. Then what you want to do is go to add photo and then select the thumbnail effects. Make them bigger. Then to change the color, you want to go to adjust, then go to hue, and then you can change the color by changing this. Make it like this. Okay. Then you want to apply. Then go to add photo again and tap on the skin of your choice. Then make it bigger like this. Then you want to apply and tap on next. Then you want to open Fonto. Once you're on Fonto, you want to tap on the small camera and then tap on photo album. Then you want to select the picture. You want to select your picture. Then you want to tap on the image and add in your name. Okay, add in your name just there. And then you can do a lot of stuff here. You can choose your font. Have a lot of choices here. I'm using a Chambly BRK. Then you can choose the style, so that means the color. Choose your color, the stroke here, and the background like that. Then you can choose the size of the text here. And yeah, that's what I do. Then you can tilt it if you like, keep it at 0, and you can move it like this. But I find this useless. So I'm gonna customize my letters. So I'll fast forward. See you soon. Okay, so I'm done. So now to save your picture, you're gonna go and tap on the small square with an arrow at the bottom right. Then you want to tap on save image.
What we do here is go back.
Tap OK. And then you're done. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.